Good day once again, student. I welcome you to today's class. And today's topic is angles in triangle. My name is Mr. DPEO. Remember, we have discussed about triangles and we talked about types of triangles. In this lesson, we will do a quick recap and solve angles in triangles. So let's look at the lesson objectives. By the end of the lesson, students should be able to identify types of triangles, calculate angles in triangles. Remember that we have talked about types of triangles. We will talk about isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, equilateral triangle. So we are going to do a quick recap here, then solve problems that has to do with angles in triangle. The first one here, under the types of triangle, is what we call isosceles triangle. The angle opposite the equal sides are equal. So this triangle has two equal sides and two equal angles. So the base angle are equal. That is, the angles opposite each of those sides that are equal, their angles are equal. So we say that the base angle of isosceles triangle are equal. Then the second one is called scalene triangle. In this triangle, the sides and the angles are not equal. All the sides and the angles are not equal. They are longer than one another. Then the third one we'll talk about is equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all the sides and all the angles are equal. Each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. So you can see from here that our x equals to y equals to z equals to 60 degrees. We did not go into detail because we have talked about this type of triangles before. But what we actually want to do here is to solve problems that is associated with triangle. So let's go to the next slide to begin solving problems that has to do with it. So example 1, calculate the third angle of a triangle in which two of the angles are as follows: 47 degrees and 65 degrees, 24 degrees and 77 degrees. So solution. The first thing to do is to give the third angle a name. Then we say let the third angle be x. Now we have to add all those three angles together. Remember, we are given two angles. In the first question, we have 47 degrees, 65 degrees, and we have created the third angle and we call it x. So now all of them are in the same triangle. So we have 47 degrees plus 65 degrees plus x degree equals to 180 degrees. That is, you must put the reason there. I told us the last class that you must always put the reason for doing what you are doing in this type of mathematics question. So we have sum of angles in a triangle. So we have 112 degree plus x degree equals to 180 degree. So our x degree equals to 180 degree minus 112 degree. So our x degree is 68 degree. So the third angle created by us, which is x, is 68 degree. So if you now add 47 plus 65 plus 68 degree, it will give you 180 degree, which stands for sum of angles in a triangle. Now, the second solution, we'll do it the same way we did the last one. So let's say, let x be the third angle. Then we're going to have 24 degree plus 77 degree plus x degree equals to 180 degree, sum of angles in a triangle. So 24 plus 77, that is 101 degree plus x degree equals to 180 degree. So our x degree equals to 180 degree minus 101 degree. Our x equals to 79 degree. So the three angles are 24 degree, 77 degree and 79 degree. Example 2. Calculate the size of the lettered angle in the following figures. We have 3 questions here. 1 where we have 40 degree X and Y. 2 where we have 110 degree, 20 degree and Z. Then the third one where we have 70 degree B and A. So we also have 98 degree. So let's solve them one after the other. Then we have our X equals to Y in the first question. X equals to Y because we can identify this as an isosceles triangle. And I told us that base angle of isosceles triangle are equal. So whatever the value of X is, that will also be the value of Y. So our X equals to Y. Y, base angle of isosceles triangle. So therefore, X plus 40 degree equals to 180 degree, sum of angles in a triangle. So we have 2x equals to 180 minus 40 degree. So that will give us 2x minus 2x equals to 140 degree. So we divide both sides by 2. So our x equals to 70 degree. That is, our x equals to y equals to 70 degree. So both x and y are 70 degree. Then you can do the checking by saying 70 plus 70 plus 40. That will give you 180 degree. And to the last question we have here. You can see in the last question that we have an exterior angle. That is angle that is outside the normal triangle. So we have 98 as an exterior angle here. And you can see that the line here forms 98 and A forms an adjacent angle. Let's go to the next slide to see it. 98 and A forms an adjacent angle, and our adjacent angle is 180 degree. So we have our A plus 98 equals to 180 degree. The reason is because the two of them are adjacent angles. So our A equals to 180 degree minus 98 degree. So A equals to 82 degree. So now that we have gotten the value of A to be 82 degree, we can now use two methods to solve for B. We can use two methods to solve for B, and in this place I have explained the two methods. So for us to get our B, we can decide to make use of sum of angles in a triangle by saying the value of A we got, which is 82 degree, plus 70 degree, plus B equals to 180 degree. That is sum of angles in a triangle. So our B plus 152 degree equals to 180 degree. That is, when we have 82 plus 70 together, we are going to have 152 degree. So our B equals to 180 degree minus 152 degree. Then B equals to 28 degree. B equals to 28 degree. So when we now pick our 28 degree, when we add it to 70 degree and we add it to 82 degree, it will give us 180 degree. Then the other method I said we can also use to get the value of B without using the sum of angles in a triangle is using a statement called sum of two opposite interior angle equals to exterior angle. If you can go back to the diagram, you can see that our B and 70 are opposite each other. So when we add our B and 70 together, we are going to have 98 degree. So for us to now get that, so we now have our B plus 70 degree equals to 98 degree. So our B will now be 98 degree minus 70 degree, and we'll get our B to be 28 degree. We will arrive at the same answer no matter the method we use. So here we have B degree equals to 98 degree minus 70 degree, and the answer is 28 degrees. You can see that the value we got for B using the sum of angles in a triangle is also the value we got using sum of two opposite interior angle equals to exterior angle. Thank you for listening. You can go over again, and if you don't understand, you can give me a direct message so that I can do better explanation. Thank you for listening. By God's grace, we shall meet again next week.